Hey guys, this is Juan here from Online Entrepreneur Now, and in this video I'm going to talk about the different pricing plans that Wix has to offer. I'm going to show you which one I think is better, which ones you can avoid, and I'm also going to show you the free plan they have, which is a forever free plan. And if you don't know Wix, Wix is the second largest website builder in the world after WordPress, and it's growing massively. Okay, it's over 150 million users by now, if I'm not mistaken. And the reason for it is it's really easy to use. It's very newbie friendly, and it has a lot of functionalities, and they always keep improving. And I use Wix for my own business, and I wanted to create this video to show you the different plans they have to offer, so you can better choose your own plan and not choose something that is not right for you. So if you're considering Wix or you're considering building a website in general, then definitely keep on watching. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, obviously you're gonna have to sign up to Wix. Okay, you're gonna go to Wix.com and you're gonna sign up to their to create an account. And then what you're gonna see is probably something like this, asking you what kind of website do you want to create. So let's say I want to create a business website. All right, and in here we have two options. We have the Wix editor and the Wix ADI. And I don't want to go deeper into it. If you want to see more about how to create the website, then I've got another video that you're going to see on the screen, and I'm also going to link it in the description below. But let me show you just how the free plan looks, how the platform looks, and what you're getting in the free plan and what you're getting in the paid plans. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to choose the editor. And you're going to choose a template. Okay, so let's say I want to choose this template, and it's going to load up for a bit. Okay, so now we are on the drag and drop editor of Wix. Okay, and as I said, drag and drop, it's really easy. You can move things around if you want. You can add things from here. You got different menus you can add. You can add text, images, galleries, vector art, and a lot of different stuff that, again, if you want to see more about building a website, you can watch my other video. But in this one, I'm just going to show you a little bit around, okay? So this is the free plan. You get everything almost, okay? What you don't get is a custom domain, okay? So if I publish this website right now, let's publish it. You will see that the domain looks like this, okay? In your case, it's gonna be different. It's not gonna be Online Entrepreneur Now, but it's gonna be whatever you say. .wixsite.com. Okay, so it's not a custom domain like onlineentrepreneurnow.com. It's adding the Wix site in here. Okay, so it's not a custom domain, and it looks less professional than a paid plan. And also, Google is not gonna rank you because it prefers more professional looking websites with a custom domain. Another thing that is in the free plan is the Wix Ads. Okay, so you will see there is a big Wix banner on the top, and also I believe in the bottom of the page. No, only on the top. Okay, so again, it's more about looking professional. And if you are building a website for personal reasons, personal projects, then it's completely fine, and you can use the free plan forever. If you want, you got all the options and you can play around with it. And also, if you want to build a professional website, you can just play around, see how you feel with the platform, see if it's good for you, and then when you're ready, you can upgrade to a premium plan. Okay, so very simple. Actually, let me show you just how it looks. Okay, let's say I want to add some text. I drag it in here and I write whatever I want. Example, let's say example, and I can stretch it, and it's really newbie friendly. You see, I don't have to know any coding or anything. They have got everything I need: text, images, a blog, everything is set up. Okay, so this is the free plan. Again, what you don't get in here is a custom domain, and you got some Wix ads. So if you want to get rid of that, then you've got the different plans, and they have 7 different plans you can choose from. Okay, so they have the website plans. Okay, these are uh, per se personal, but you can use them for business. The difference between the website plans and the business and e-commerce plans is that in here you can receive, in the business you can receive payments online, and in the website ones you can't, but you can still use it and link to another website and do it yourself, so it's not a big deal. But let me show you the different plans. Okay, so the first plan is connected domain, which is the most basic, and it costs 450 per month if you pay yearly. Okay, if you prefer to pay monthly, then it will be a little bit more, and you can also pay every 2 years, and it will be cheaper, obviously. So I don't recommend you use the connect plan, because the connect domain, because yes, you can add a custom domain in here, but you still got the Wix ads, so it defeats the purpose of getting a professional website. So I don't know why they have that plan. I would skip it. Okay. Then they have the combo plan, which is great in my opinion. Okay, you get it for 850 per month if you pay yearly, and you're getting 2 GB of bandwidth, which means the number of monthly visitors that can be on your website at a certain time. So 2 GB is more than enough for a few hundred or a few thousand visitors per month. So if you're just starting out, that's no problem, no issue. And let's say that you hit more visitors, you can always upgrade to their unlimited plan. They offer 3 GB of storage, which is great for a nice amount of images, okay, a few hundreds. And again, if you run out of space, you can always upgrade to the unlimited plan. They offer you to connect a custom domain, which is really important. Remove the Wix ads, and which something that's really nice, they offer you a free domain for 1 year. Okay, so you get a free domain for the first year, and then it's gonna be around $15 to $20 if I'm not mistaken. They also offer 30 video minutes, which means you can upload your video into Wix, and don't be scared by it, because you can add as many YouTube videos as you want, so you can embed your YouTube videos and it doesn't take out your space. But let's say that you wanted to upload your own video into the platform, then you've got 30 minutes. I don't use it, I upload everything from YouTube. They give you a nice bonus of $75 ad vouchers, so you can use it for Google Ads. Then you've got the unlimited plan. It's the same as the combo plan, but they offer 2 extra apps in here: the Site Booster app and the Visitor Analytic app. It seems like a lot of value, but it's not. It's actually not. The Site Booster app is an app that lists your website in different directories. So It's more important if you're a local business, and you can also do it manually, so you can save the money for that. And the visitor analytics app does the same as the Google Analytics, and Google Analytics is free, so I don't see a reason why you need these two apps. Again, I would use the combo, and then if I run out of space, then I would upgrade to the unlimited plan. The VIP plan is the same. Okay, they offer you a professional logo, social media logo files, priority response, and VIP support, and these two apps. Um, Again, I don't think that's worth it. The site booster, as I said, the visitor analytics, the logo, I think it's a bit low quality. Okay, I would just go to Fiverr or Upwork or 99 Designs and um, pay a designer to design my logo. So I don't think that's worth it. Priority response and VIP support, it means they push your requests and tickets to the top of the line. Um, Wix actually has got a really good response time in my experience, and they also have a good knowledge base you can use. So again, I don't think that's really needed. So what I recommend in the website plans is for you to use the combo plan, and then if you run out of space, just upgrade as much as needed. Okay, so this is the preferred plan in my opinion. And let's move on to the business and e-commerce plans. So the difference in here, as I said, is you can accept online payments. Okay, and something nice is it's commission free. So let's say if you were selling on Shopify, for example, they take a cut out of your profits. So in here, it's 100% commission free. You get all the profits to yourself, which is great. And they give you 20 gigabytes of storage and unlimited bandwidth and all the other things they give you on the website plans. The difference is you can accept payments. So if you want to create an online store or something like that, then choose the business plans. And again, I would start with the business basic and then move on if I run out of space, which I don't think it's going to happen to you very fast. And yeah, this is about the pricing plans of Wix. Um, they offer really good um, and reasonable prices, in my opinion, and they have a lot of functionalities. And actually, I want to add a little bit of a bonus in here, and I'm going to show you another thing that they have on their platform, which is a marketing platform inside of Wix. So what Wix is trying to do is create an all-in-one platform, so you don't have to go to different suppliers and do different things in other places like email marketing and uh, really different things you like a video maker. They are trying to unify everything into one platform, which I think is a great idea. Um, some of their features still need development, in my opinion. Um, you get most of these things for free, but they have limited features. I chose not to upgrade because I think again they need to improve a little bit on that aspect of email marketing and all that thing. I don't think it's worth it to pay $10 a month to get 5 email campaigns or um, automations, which they increase to 5. You can get all of that by going to Aweber or MailChimp at the same price or even less and get a much better service. So I would just stay with the free features they offer right now. And I don't know, maybe later on they improve on that, but These are the plans they are offering right now. I think you can skip that, and I wanted to show you about it. Okay, so let me summarize in here. Uh, Again, Wix is really easy to use, and I've built my website from scratch, and I have no text knowledge. I don't know the first thing about coding, and I did it all by myself. And it took me really not a lot of time. I mean, I can still improve my website, but uh, it's an easy learning curve, unlike WordPress. And I've tried WordPress in the past, and WordPress offers a lot more customization than Wix, but it's much less user friendly and much less newbie friendly. Okay, so you will need some background at website building if you want to use WordPress, or you're gonna need outside help. So this is why I chose Wix, and I think it's a great platform. And if you want to sign up, then you can sign up in the link in the description below. Um, it's an affiliate link, so if you sign up through that link, then I will get credit. And thank you very much for your support. If not, you can just sign up to Wix otherwise. And if you like that video, then leave me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, then leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.